Merry Christmas!
Go see what's down there.
What is that?
Go slow. Reese, get out of the way.
Reese.
You gonna go slow? Don't fall down. Go away. Come on. Reese. Reese. Come over here so he doesn't fall. That's it.
Good morning.
Come here, Reese. What you got? Good morning.
First thing to the wagon. Yeah. I love the wagon. Reese, Reese, Galloway.
Reese. You gonna try it out first? Okay. Oh, you see stuff?
Wow.
Hey, do you want to see? Look, Santa brought you this.
Thank you.
Bring Santa for a ride? Hopefully it works. Oh, I got you. Here, look. Ethan, look. There you go. Oh, it's a snow globe.
Oh, cool.
And he sings.
Hi. Merry Christmas, Ethan. Merry Christmas.
You say Merry Christmas?
Hey, can you come see what you got in your stocking?
What's that?
You come see what's in your stocking? You want to open gifts. See if you can say that. See what's in your stocking? See what is that? Is he distracting you?
You're right.
What's in there?
Reese. Get away, girl. Good girl.
Mama help you. Look, what is that? Who's that off of? Who's that off of? They jump out of the plane? I don't know their name.
You recognize it.
Is it a bulldozer? I don't know what to call it. He doesn't have one. A what?
I have a
It's a bulldozer thing. Shovel?
Got some planes too, huh? Yeah.
Okay, the shovel. Has a shovel on it. Want to see what else is in here? It's okay. It's okay. We don't have to get it out.
See what else is in there?
See what else is in there? Okay. Is there anything else in there? What else is in there? What else I got you in there? Santa.
What's that?
You don't need to know what that is right now.
The paint?
Yeah. You probably did that yesterday.
Yay. Being artists like Mama and Gigi.
Who's that? It's Turtle Bubble Bath.
What's that?
All
Big
right.
Bubble Bath.
What's that?
Turtle bubble
Turtle.
bath. Cool.
What's that?
It's just Santa.
I knew you didn't know, Mama.
What else? I think it's just chocolate in here. Yeah, it's just chocolate. Okay, you want to go open your gifts? Do you have anything underneath the tree to open?
Are there some boxes?
Go look at the boxes. Look, is your stuff to open?
Oh boy.
Go get a box. Go pick one out. Are you gonna pick the biggest
the big
one?
one?
Yeah, the biggest one.
That's my boy.
That's the one I want. Okay, get to carry it over here. Okay.
Bring it over.
Pick the biggest one.
I think that's the Reese card.
Uh-oh. I don't think
Yeah.
his favorite. Ethan, I think you want to open this one. Ethan. Ethan. You want to open it up? See what's in here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Remember? There you go. That's a good one. What is that? Oh, man. Oh, my God. What in the world?
that big
What's
circle?
that?
Race car.
A car.
Race car.
What's that?
It's a car. Yeah, it's a big loop.
What's that?
It's a big loop. It looks like it goes
You might want to say that to open later anyway with everything else. So.
They didn't have any details.
You want to go open another one?
What's that?
Big curry cars.
You want to go pick up the other big box?
Go get another
My
one.
box.
Go get the big box. See what it is.
What's that?
It's race cars.
Ethan, there's more boxes over there.
Go get, those are all yours. Go pick out another box. It's okay. Okay, I'll open this up for you. Go get another box. I'll open this up. Okay, I'll open it up. We're not going to be able to put all this together right now. We're going to have to leave this in here. We'll do it in a little
Yeah, you
bit.
can open that later, Ethan. Get you another
Go
present.
get another box. Is there Santa? Go see who's over there. Go get another box. Look, there's lightning. Lightning. You want to pick out lightning?
What?
Okay. Go get another one.
Distracted. We can
Yeah.
flip that one and
Hey,
make the
go
circle.
get lightning again. You go see Santa? This one?
What's that?
That's a bulldozer thing.
What's that?
That's from planes. They jump out of the plane. That's the new one.
To fight the fire.
That's the fire
To
one.
fight the fire.
Ethan, you want to open this up? I'll have to teach you how to use it and stuff. Here, Ethan, you want to open this one? You want to pick a different one? What?
Where'd it go?
What are you talking about? They're in here. They're in here now. You remember? Yeah. It's Santa. And you see
Santa.
Snowman and a penguin.
Yeah, Ethan, what's in there?
Okay, you open it. There you go. What's in there? Uh-oh. What is in here? What is this? It's dusty. Oh, does that go with it? What is it? Is he fly?
The airport? Looks like an airport.
Yeah, it looks like.
Those two pieces go in there.
Okay.
You're like
Ho,
the mom,
ho,
if
ho.
they cannot get it now. They might not have it next year.
Yeah.
It always together.
What's that?
Oh, okay. Look. You can make an airport. You already got the ship one.
Probably the other penguin one. I think.
You want to get another box?
Okay.
You want to get another box? Go get another box.
Another one.
All right.
Pick one out. Okay, you want lightning? I don't remember what
We got
this
it now.
is. Oh, I think I might know what this is. Okay. You want to see what it's in here? I don't know if you're going to get any. So you got a big one you're scared of. What is that? What is that? I'm trying to find an action figure.
What's that?
Turtle.
Is that a turtle?
Ninja Turtle.
Turtle.
Turtle, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. He doesn't do anything.
Cool.
Okay, go pick out another one. Go pick out another one.
Oh man, jackpot.
There you
My big
go.
one.
Okay.
That's the one that goes with the other two.
Okay. Take off the bow. What is that?
Who? Break yawn.
His mouth. That was weird. That was like fake. It turned into a big boy.
What's that?
Here, open this up. We'll see what's in here. Open it up. There you go. Ooh.
Come on. Ethan. Turn it open. Come on, man. Get here.
Who's that? Ooh.
One more. Ethan.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can have your own airport.
Cool.
What's that?
Maybe that's the one we can't see.
You got a whole bunch of airplanes. That's good now. Yeah, airplanes. It's like the race car, but it's for the airplanes.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll check them all out later. We don't want to lose anything.
Cool.
It's like a lot of
Here's
pieces.
my package.